What if I told you that you could make a powerful, living medicine with just 3 things you probably already have in your kitchen? Yeah, forget that cabinet overflowing with capsules. Today, we're going to break down a 2,000-year-old secret that, honestly, runs circles around the modern supplement industry. And I'll show you how to make it yourself in just 1 week. But first, let's just frame the problem. $177 billion. I mean, let that sink in. That's how much the supplement industry is worth every single year. It is a massive machine, built on selling us isolated compounds in little plastic bottles. But here's the real question. Is any of it actually working? You know, this quote pretty much sums it all up, doesn't it? The average person is spending over $50 a month on supplements that their body just can't absorb properly. It's an incredibly expensive, wasteful cycle. But thankfully, there is a profoundly simple and way more powerful alternative.
And that solution, my friends, is an ancient concoction called an Oxymel. Now, this isn't some new trend. This is forgotten science. So let's take a look at the incredibly simple toolkit you're going to need to make it.
That is it. That's your entire toolkit, and it's probably sitting in your pantry right now. First, you need raw honey, and I mean the real stuff, not the processed junk. Second, raw apple cider vinegar, and you got to make sure it has the mother in it. That's the cloudy stuff that really kickstarts the whole process. And finally, some dried herbs, like the turmeric and oregano you see right here. And just so we're clear, this isn't some new age fad, not even close. I mean, look at this timeline. The history here is incredibly deep. We're talking about Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribing this stuff back in 400 BC. Roman soldiers carried it with them. It was used in ancient Indian Ayurveda. For thousands of years, this was medicine. So how does this simple little mix become so powerful? Well, the magic, and it really does feel like magic, is in the science of fermentation. It's a process that completely transforms these ingredients, and it all boils down to one absolutely crucial concept: bioavailability. This word is everything. It is a whole ballgame. Because you know what? It doesn't matter what's printed on the label of that expensive supplement bottle if your body can't actually get in there and use it. And this is where fermentation completely changes the game. And here is where it just gets incredible. Take a look at this. A 2019 study found that when you take raw turmeric, your body absorbs, maybe 8% of the good stuff? But after just 7 days of fermentation, that absorption rate skyrockets to over 40%. The bacteria are essentially pre-digesting the herbs for you, breaking down those tough plant walls that our stomachs just can't. But wait, it gets even more fascinating. Fermentation doesn't just unlock what's already in the plant, it actually creates entirely new things. A 2020 study showed that fermented oregano extract was 7 times stronger against E. coli than the raw stuff. So why is that? It's because the bacteria are acting like tiny, microscopic chemists. Through a process called biotransformation, they're creating brand new, powerful compounds that simply did not exist in the original herb. They are literally manufacturing new medicine right there inside the jar.
Okay, so you've seen the history, you've seen the science. Now for the really fun part, making it yourself. Here is the simple step-by-step process. I like to call it the kitchen alchemy method. I promise it really is this easy. Grab any glass jar and fill it about 1/3 of the way with your raw honey. Then add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of whatever dried herbs you're using. Now, the key here is to push those herbs down so they're totally submerged in the liquid. Then just cover it loosely, don't seal it tight because gases need to escape. Give it a stir once a day for the first 3 days, and then just let it hang out in a dark cupboard for a total of 7 days. And you'll know it's working because you'll start to see little bubbles forming. By the end of the week, that thick honey will have thinned out and it'll have this delicious, slightly tangy smell. That's your sign. That means you have a successful living ferment that is now packed with bioavailable plant medicine. All right, let's get down to the real core of it. Why is this living, bubbling preparation so fundamentally better than a dead synthetic pill? Well, it turns out the supplement industry itself seems to know the answer. Get this. This quote is from a leaked internal memo from a major supplement company. They actually identified homemade ferments like this one as a significant threat to their business. They even plan to push convenience messaging to try and stop people from doing it. Why? Because they know how effective this is.
And let's just talk about probiotics for a second, because this chart tells a pretty shocking story. Multiple studies have shown that when you buy a bottle of probiotic capsules, somewhere between 60 and 90% of the bacteria inside are already dead when they get to you. And the tiny fraction that is alive still has to survive your stomach acid.
So this slide, this says it all, right? On one side, you have a living, active, symbiotic system. That means the good bacteria come with their own food source. On the other side, a dead, inert, isolated compound. The result is maximized bioavailability that you can make for less than $2 versus a $25 bottle that barely works. The choice is pretty clear.
So once you master this basic method, you've essentially unlocked the ability to create your own customized wellness blends. You can literally turn your kitchen into your own personal pharmacy. And this is where you get to be the chemist. Think about your health goals. Need some immune support? Try a blend of oregano and thyme. Battling inflammation? Turmeric and ginger is a classic. You can create targeted blends for better focus, for better sleep. The possibilities are actually endless.
So let's just break it down one last time. Fermentation skyrockets the power of plant medicine. It creates brand new beneficial compounds, and you can do it all at home for pennies. The science is published. The method is one of the oldest forms of medicine on the planet. So the only real question left is, what are you waiting for?
Hey, if you got some value out of this explainer, do us a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. And we really, really want to know, head down to the comments and tell us what herbal blend you're excited to make first. Thanks so much for watching.